Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel for get latest videos updates. Today I talk about 7 best essential oils that can help treat bug bites. Essential oils are highly concentrated distilled extracts from certain plants. They are popularly used today for health, cleaning, massage and other purposes. One reason they may be used is to help relieve discomfort from bug bites. Essential oils are used in aromatherapy where the oil is diffused into the air or added to a carrier oil and applied to the skin. Now I am going to talk about 7 best essential oils for bug bites. There are many essential oils that can help treat bug bites. Most effective 7 best essential oils for bug bites discussed in this video. Number 1. Basil essentials oils. Basil is a gentle anti-inflammatory oil that may help with irritation. Antimicrobial properties in the plant prevent infection. This makes it great for all sorts of bug bites, especially bee stings. Number 2. Camphor essential oil. This plant is a relative of cinnamon. It's been used since ancient times to treat pain, irritation, and inflammation. It can also help reduce pain caused by bug bites. It does this by creating a reaction on the skin like a tingling warmth. Number 3. Chamomile essential oil. Chamomile is added to many skin products and lotions for its soothing emollient effects. With bug bites, the oil helps with redness, itching, and irritation. This flower remedy may speed up healing and recovery. Number 4. Lavender essential oil. Lavender is a popular essential oil and a favorite for treating bug bites. This oil can be applied directly to bites. It has soothing properties much like chamomile and it can also be pain relieving. Number 5. Mint essential oil. Mint essential oil can be a great option if they are diluted first. They give cooling pain relief when they contact the skin. Mint can also help keep insects away, preventing future bites. Number 6. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary oil is another choice for bug bites pain relief and it can also help prevent infection. Be sure to dilute rosemary oil with a carrier oil before use. Number 7. Tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil is famous for its anti-pain, anti-swelling, and anti-itching qualities. It is also antimicrobial, preventing bacteria infections. This makes it a great ally against bug bite discomfort. The essential oil can be enlisted for fighting all sorts of insect bites. Mosquitoes, ticks, fur ants, spiders, bees, and even bedbugs or fleas are fair game. How do you use essential oils for bug bites? How you use oil on a bug bite depends on what you prefer. Dilute first and put directly on the bite, or if covering with a bandage can go onto the bandage. Common solutions include water or an oil or lotion. I found my research some common, easy methods for applying oils to bites. Direct application. Avoid direct application of essential oils. Mix them in a carrier oil, usually 5 drops per ounce of oil, and then apply to the skin. Dilute spray. To make a dilute spray, fill a spray bottle with water. Mix 2 to 3 drops of essential oil in 2 to 3 drops of liquid carrier oil per ounce of water. Shake before use. Spray onto bug bites to experience relief. Ointment. You can create your own ointment with added essential oils. There are a couple ways to do this. One way is to make your own scrod ointment. Add a few drops of essential oil to a carrier oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or even a beeswax salve. Add about 2 to 3 drops per ounce and mix in well. You can also do this with your favorite store bought lotion, moisturizer, salve, or balm to the same effect. Bath. If you have several bites all over your body, try an essential oil bath. Add about 15 drops of your preferred oil to the same amount of carrier oil. Shake, then add to your bath. You can follow this up with some direct topical application to your most painful bites. It's important to remember that essential oils aren't monitored by the Food and Drug Administration for purity, quality, or safety. If purchasing essential oils, be sure to buy from a reputable company. You can visit our Amazon store to buy reputed company essentials oils, link in the description box.